If you want to take a photo of moon on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, what you can do is, of course, first of all, we're gonna open the camera app. Now, before we move on to the photo mode and how to set it up, first we need to make sure that the super moon feature is enabled in camera settings. So you can tap on this arrow at the top of the screen or swipe down on the camera preview, and then in here open camera settings. Now in camera settings, go to AI recommendations, and then here you should be able to find the supermoon option, which automatically turns on a supermoon when zooming beyond 20x for clear details. You want to make sure that this option is enabled over here. So now in the photo mode, for example, we should be able to zoom in using 20x or more, and then you want to point at the moon. Of course, make sure that the night mode is enabled. It can be actually quite helpful. And you should be able to see the super zoom or super moon actually feature being activated, so then you can take a photo. It might take some time before the photo is taken, so of course leave your phone on a tripod ideally, or something that can be used to stabilize your photo, and stabilize your phone. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.